So once you get to the website, you're going to connect your wallet. And if you hold at least one cube in the wallet you're connected, you're going to be able to get in. And then you're going to be presented with these 3 categories along with the gas, depending on what's going on the blockchain. So you have task groups, wallet groups, and settings. What you're going to start with is you're going to start with making your wallet groups. So we'll click in here. And I've already made some because I was just messing around with the UI earlier, but I'll make one just for this video just to show you how it works. So you'll click add wallet, and let's do ETH to Moon. That'll be the wallet name. Create, and boom, here is your wallet group. And just to be clear, I'm not making wallets here. These are essentially folders for your burner wallets. And the reason why we like to make more than one is, say for example, you have multiple mints in one day and you don't want to have to keep adding funds to your same wallet. You can load up a bunch of different wallet groups and have them all ready to go. So when you're minting, you can just, not have to worry about all that. Anyways, after you make your wallet group, you're going to be able to add some burner wallets. And this is what is going to be token gated depending on how many cubes you hold. On the chart that we posted in holders chat, I believe in main announcements, and on Twitter, it shows you, holding 1 cube gets you 1 burner wallet, holding 2 cubes gets you however many wallets. I don't know the number off the top of my head right now. But anyways, that's what it's going to be. That's what that's referring to essentially. So you're going to generate, let's say, 2 wallets. You click that and it's going to generate the wallets as long as you have as many cubes needed to generate that many wallets. And then you can then click into your wallet group folder and look at all the information, the name, the public key, the private key, the balance. So next up you're going to need to add funds to these burner wallets. So you're going to go over to manage funds and you're going to click distribute funds. So what you're going to do is you're going to select your wallet group, and we'll go to Adam and Sexy, and your wallets are going to pop up here. So you're going to select them and then go to next. And depending on how much ETH you have in your wallet, your burner wallet connected to this account, that's how much money you're going to be able to put into the burner wallets. And obviously, you can do however much you want. I don't know, 8 ETH or whatever. Anyways, after you've selected how much ETH you want to go to each wallet, you're going to hit distribute, and then it's going to distribute. And the number that you put in here is going to be dependent on the mint price of whatever NFT project you're minting. So say mint price is 0.04, you'd recommend putting at least 0.0, probably 0.08 or whatever. I don't want to give you gas recommendations, but that's essentially what this area is for, just to put the funds in that you're going to use to mint your products per wallet that you want to use. Anyways, we'll click out of here. And after you have your wallets, your funds distributed, then we're going to go back to task groups. And this is where you're going to actually do the minting. So you're going to click add task group, and this section isn't done yet. I know the devs are working on it. But that's where you're going to be able to select the contract you want to mint, how many you want to mint, how much gas you want to pay, so just stuff like that. On the chart, it says you can, use X amount of burner wallets per, amount of cubes you have, and you can mint X amount of contracts per day, and that is not as many tries as you get. So say, for example, you're minting, I don't know, mutant cubes or whatever, I don't know, a random made-up collection, and for whatever reason, the mint fails, it was out of your control, you're not going to be able to only mint, I don't know, 2. You can mint as many as you can till that, not mint as many as you can. You can try as many times as you can to mint that contract until you either have a successful mint or you have a, the product sells out. So if that's confusing, feel free to ask any questions in chat. I can go into a bit more depth or hop on a voice call and just, explain it further. But the amount of mints per day and amount of tries per day are different. I just wanted to make that clear. So anyways, after you have a successful mint, hopefully, you're going to have some burner wallets with extra funds in them. So instead of having to go to your your wallet folder, look at the information, and go on MetaMask and send it back and forth, you can actually send all the funds that you distributed into your burner wallet back into your main wallet, your main burner wallet that is connected to the account. So what you'll do is you're going to go to Manage Funds, go to Orchestrate Funds, and basically in here you're going to be able to send all of the funds back to your main wallet just for ease of use. And I believe that you're going to have to pay gas fees on all these transactions. It should be very low because it's just sending ETH back and forth. But I know this was asked in the AMA, and I believe so. If that is incorrect, I will make sure to update y'all either by announcement or on the next AMA or the next recording I do. But yeah, that's essentially it. And I kind of talked about this in the last two AMAs. I kind of want to have these two categories just switched, or at least have maybe 1, 2 on them, just because the first step is always making the wallet groups and then going to task groups and minting. And we want it to be as clear as possible. We may make it so you can't open the task groups tab until you have made a wallet group. Not sure yet, but we just want to make it as easy as possible, just for people who have never used the mint bot before, or people who are waking up maybe at 3 a.m. for a mint and they're half awake. We don't want to make it super difficult. But with that, I think I'm gonna end this. That's basically all we have so far. I will make sure to keep you all updated as more developments are made. So thank you all for listening. And again, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in any chat. I will answer them as quick as possible. Thank you all.